Hi, it's JoElla Milan. I'm going to talk to you about a great product from Viktoriadeann. This one is Correct HP Peptides. And this product does so much more than what we give it credit for. You know, with the HP in there and the Correct HP, which stands for hyperpigmentation, this has so many more benefits that I wanted to share with you. And I am going to look at the list here because I don't want to omit anything on here. So it helps repair sun damage, dark spots, loss of elasticity, uneven skin tone, melasma, post-acne pigmentation. It helps boost the collagen level, and it also prevents breakouts. All that in one great product. So I do have it linked down below. It's on my website. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call me on my toll-free number or on the contact us form, or send me an email. I'm easy to reach, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.